Cha's birthday is coming, so we decided to eat at the Fridays. We ordered Cajun shrimp pasta for both of us and the ribs platter, guys. I love eating here, guys, at TGIF Ueno branch. Kasi hindi siya crowded. Mostly of the tourists kasi sa Amiyoko sila kumakain.
Ang daming chicken sa'yo. Full of chicken. So let's eat. Ayaw, manok ka lang? Marami ng manok po. Kaya mainit. Pero parang mas marami yung shrimp mo. Hindi ba ako? Spicy na to? Actually. Ang sarap, promise. Sarap naman. Whiskey something. Sarap. 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 Kung ganito ulam sa US pala, dito pa. Dito palagi ko lang. Nagalutan siya ang busan. Ang ribs. Perfect. Ang birthday girl. Mashed potato. Mashed potato. Sarap. Coleslaw. Hindi ako direct kahit pang ano siya, gamay tao.
Wala tao ron kay ano man. Wednesday man nun, di man Friday.
Nag-joke ka.
Thanks God, it's Friday.